My special education career kind of started, I was 15 years old and worked my first summer at Baycliff Health Camp out in Big Bay, Michigan. I was kitchen staff for 7 weeks of the summer. When I graduated high school, I went to Northern and I was going for education, and then I ended up leaving with an art degree. I went back and got my nursing license, and I spent about 5 years nursing. I moved to the Copper Country in the great year of 2020, and a lot of opportunities opened up for people. So the non-traditional route of becoming a teacher was a possibility. So I worked as a nurse and I was a single mom, and I completed my education requirements. So I was certified to teach English and consumer and family sciences, and the position here at the middle school opened up in special ed, and you have to get your foot in the door. And then I just finished my master's through the Talent Together program at Alma, Michigan this past summer, so now I'm a special ed teacher, probably forever. I think I needed to follow that childhood dream. You know, you play house when you're kids, and I played school when I was a kid. So my neighbors and I all got together and we played school. And the special education side of things came through just to see the general joy in a student's face when they master a concept. And if you have a student who's struggled their entire life with anything physical, mental, emotional, and they get to celebrate something too, you get to celebrate that with them just as much. I'm the resource room teacher here at the high school primarily, so I have students that get to stop by and spend an hour or two with me every day. We are very lucky to have the mild cognitively impaired program through the ISD just downstairs. And so my special ed teacher side of things, you know, my goal is to get them as successful as they can be in high school and open up whatever doors I can, but more importantly, open their eyes to what they're capable of. We have a really great community. Being in such a small town, that phrase, you can do anything you want to, it's really true in our community because somebody's gonna figure out how to make it available to you. I think when you're labeled as special education, you don't always think that you have some sort of future. And so you stop thinking or planning or hoping, and so they get into my room and I'm gonna live at home with mom and dad, or I'm just gonna work at the grocery store for the rest of my life. And that's cool if that's what you want to do. But if it's not what you want to be doing or what you dream of doing, I'm gonna figure out how to make it possible for you. So last year I had 3 students graduate with diplomas from my program, and I had 4 more students who exited the special education program over the last couple of years graduate with a diploma. So they're doing the thing, and they're rocking the world. It's worth it because I can have one student come to me and say, "Yo, Miss Toon, I passed that algebra test today." And those singular feel-good moments make the rest of it totally worth it.